Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your GoTrax scooter feeling a little too slow? Don't worry, today I'll show you simple, safe, and effective ways to boost your scooter speed. In just a few steps, you'll see real improvement. Let's get started. GoTrax riders often ask one question: why is my scooter so slow? In this video, I'm going to share 8 proven steps to make your GoTrax scooter faster, from quick fixes to advanced upgrades. Make sure to watch until the end, because step 8 is a game changer. Step 1. Check tire pressure and tire type. First, check your tire pressure. Low PSI increases rolling resistance and slows you down. Inflate your tires to the recommended level, and consider high-pressure tires if available. Step 2. Reduce extra weight. Remove unnecessary items like heavy backpacks or accessories. The lighter your scooter, the quicker it accelerates and the faster it goes. Step 3. Fully charge the battery and use performance mode. A fully charged battery always delivers maximum performance. Also, check your scooter display or app and switch to sport or high performance mode if it's available. Step 4. Adjust brakes. Misaligned or tight brakes can slow your wheels down. Make sure your brake pads aren't rubbing and everything is properly calibrated. Step 5. Lubricate bearings and check wheel alignment. Keep your wheel bearings clean and lubricated. Less friction means smoother rides and higher top speeds. Step 6. Update software or firmware with caution. Sometimes official firmware updates improve performance. Check the GoTrax app for updates. Be careful with unofficial firmware hacks. They can void your warranty or even damage the scooter. Step 7. Hardware upgrades. Advanced. If you want a serious boost, upgrading to a bigger battery or higher power motor can help. But this should only be done by professionals and may void your warranty, so proceed with caution. Step 8. Road test and monitor speed. After making changes, test your scooter in a safe, open area. Use a GPS app or speedometer to track improvements in top speed and acceleration. Never overvolt your scooter, remove factory speed limiters unsafely, or ignore local traffic laws. Safety comes first, and that's it. With these simple upgrades and tweaks, you can get your GoTrax scooter running faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more scooter tips and tricks. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Try out these tips and see the difference in your scooter's performance. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and ride safely.